Hi everyone! Happy 6th year anniversary of Really Beautiful. Thank you for joining me today. I'm happy that you're here and I'm excited to show you what I have been working on, what VB Essentials is all about, and some new pens. So let's dive right into VB Essentials. You might be wondering what are VB Essentials? I want you to think about this new product lineup, this new collection that will be in the shop as your basic functional planning supplies for paper planning. So this first release are vellum page flags, which is on the right, and then the full page sticky notes, or full box, sticky notes on the left. You've seen these before. I've had these in previous kits. The names, the colorways, I should say, will all be the same with all the products. So as you saw, this one was cream. It was in the page flag and in the sticky note. So everything will match. I'm really excited to bring this because for me, I love color coding. So I wanted to bring something functional but pretty that you can use in conjunction with the VB kits. So again, think of the VB Essentials collection as your fundamentals, as your basic, I want to say, undergarments for your planner. And then the VB kits will be your accessory pieces, your bold statement pieces that you are going to layer on top of your undergarments. So that's something I really wanted to bring to the shop, something, a collection that you can use with anything because of the neutral color palette. As you can see, as I'm showing you all 10. There's 10 different colors, so I'm sure you will find your favorite color combo, your favorite color palettes within these products. I wanted to give you a closer look of the full box sticky notes. A lot of you love these, and I'm so happy because I really like designing all the different ones. So each color has a different theme for the box, for the sticky note, I should say. Like this one's plans. There was a shopping list. This one's like a deadline or a due date. This one's today, and they all have like this really pretty light kind of champagne foil. Depending on the light, you can see as silver, or you can have it go as gold. I also want to point out that the name of the color is on the back of the cello bag. So what I did here, little tip, just write the name on the back of the sticky note itself so you know what color you have. Now let's go through the page flags. These are vellum page flags. I haven't brought these, I haven't featured these in a VB kit. It is a little bit more transparent than the plastic kind of material ones that I've featured in VB kits. As you can see, when they're on paper, they have a little bit lighter transparency to them. And these are all the colors, all 10. If you feel that you need a little bit more tackiness, you want it to be a little bit more stronger to adhere to your piece of paper, to your planner, to your book, whatever, just use a little bit of double-sided adhesive tape to one side, or if you want, you can use it on the full backside of the flag so it doesn't move or anything, like the tips or the ends don't kind of fly away. But it's super easy to give it just a little bit more tackiness to make it stronger. Super easy to do. And now let me show you. So these are like kind of the plasticky page flags that you normally see it in my kits that I offer. They're a little bit thinner. When you feel the vellum page flags, they are thicker. I'm excited to hear about your feedback on these. I always take your feedback, and I always like to hear what you have to say. Ways to improve on product. Oh, one thing I also need to mention is, just like the other page flags, you do need to use an oil-based marking pen, a Sharpie pen. These uni pin pens, I don't know why they call it a uni pin pen. They should just call it a uni pen. Anyways, these are still in the shop, so make sure to grab one if you don't have one already. But these work great on these vellum page flags. They don't move. I always like to wait maybe a couple seconds just in case so they don't smear, but these work perfectly fine. If you're wondering the texture of the vellum, it's almost the same kind of vellum as like the vellum sticky notes that I offer. Using the VB pen, you can try it. I've had some luck, but I wouldn't suggest it. So it's better to be safe and use like an oil-based pen, like the uni pin pen. Because these page flags are vellum, when you stack vellum on top of each other, you kind of get this little bend, as you can see as I take out the pack of page flags. It has that bend. So because of this, we weren't able to adhere the full stack of page flags to the backer card. So just like the sticky notes, if you need to know the color, just write it down with the uni pen on the back so you know what color you have. So you're probably wondering, how am I going to store all of these products because they don't stick to the backer cards? Well, I thought of something that's going to be super helpful to keep everything together. This is a brand new product. This is a clear supply wallet. As you can see from the card, you can put your sticky notes, your page flags, and then there's even a center pocket, so you can put, cards, or, those transparent stickers that I have in kits at times. But this is super helpful. There's 3 pockets, one on each side, and then an inside pocket. There's only flaps though for the outside pockets. It doesn't come folded, so you want to make sure that you fold down the flaps and then crease it. Kind of just pinch it together to make sure that the flaps stay closed. I thought this was a really good way, to hold these new planner supplies. A lot of you have asked for something to hold the transparent stickers and the transparent cards, so this is a good way. Let me walk you through on how to fill your new supply wallet. I'm just going to take a full page sticky note. You know what? Let's actually just stuff this whole side with sticky notes so you can fit 3 of the full box sticky notes. I can get this one in there. Perfect. I want to know which is going to be your favorite color palette out of the 10. So tag us on Instagram, or even in the group. Post in the group what your favorite color combos. I'm really interested to see. This one, I think I'm just going to. You know what? Let's just use all of the page flags and see if they will all fit. So again, 10 different colors. There's going to be 10 different vellum page flags. I'm just going to line them up. I always find that when you have nails, it's always harder to do things. I am amazed at all for those of you who have long nails and can do everything. Okay, I can't. You could probably fit all 10 in a row, but I'm not even gonna bother. And there you go. So 3 full box sticky notes, and you can do all 10 page flags. Now, these are those transparent stickers that I have in kits. I'm just going to put that in that center pocket. Don't forget, you do have a center pocket. And the cards. And look, that wallet is full. It's pretty packed. You could probably add more stuff to it. Has a good weight. This will fit nicely in your planner bags, in your, the planner folios. Okay, let's see. Let's try something else. So we're just gonna do one full box sticky note on the side, and then on the other side, let me show you the sticker, or yeah, the stickers on and the card. And I'm just gonna leave the center pocket open. I'm excited. I am just so excited to see how you utilize the supply wallet. And now I want to show you my planner. Here's a look inside my business planner. I took out all the top secret stuff to show you how I utilize the vellum page flags and the full box sticky notes. As you can see, some of them are color coded, which I love. So on the page flag, I put, the category, like this one is like a deadline, and then the matching sticky note was about the deadline that I have. I like these, I like the tackiness of the vellum page flags because it's not too sticky. Again, if you want a little bit, if you want it to be more sticky, you can definitely add a little bit more adhesive to the back of the page flag. Customize it to your liking. For me, I move a lot. I move these page flags a lot because sometimes my deadlines are pushed back. New releases, like this new release was pushed back. It was supposed to be on Wednesday, but now it's Friday. So I like the repositionable aspect of these page flags. I wanted to give you a little insight of how I came up with the names for the colors, and it's bringing it back to my makeup artistry background. You'll see that the names are all beauty, makeup, skincare related, so I wanted to tie in my two passions together with this collection. So the names are really cute. Some of them took us a really long time to name, but I'm really happy with what we came up with. There'll be added new products for VB Essentials coming soon, so always read your newsletters. You'll never know what I have planned. So let's talk pens. Okay, I know a lot of you are wanting some neutral pens, so here they are. These are this year's Anniversary pens. I wanted them to match kind of like the VB Essential pens. Maybe hint, there might be pens to match the VB Essentials collection. Anyways, let's focus on these pens. This one is called Bear. It's a light nude beige paint. It's a glossy paint. All these have glossy paint. Black hardware and kind of like light nude beige crystals. I'm comparing this one to Au Naturel, which is in the shop currently. So Bear is just it's lighter than Au Naturel, so you can see. This next pen is called Tawny. It's more of a medium nude. It's darker than Bear. Black hardware, and again, it's a medium nude crystal. I'm trying to make the crystals in this collection match the paint because I've got a lot of feedback that you guys really like that. I know you love pink pens, so here's another pink pen to add to your collection. Her name is called Satin. It's a light pale pink with matching crystals, black hardware. Again, it's a glossy paint. This one is side by side with Angelic, so Angelic is more of a matte paint. The last pen for the release is called Silhouette. This is a medium smoky charcoal paint with matching medium smoky charcoal crystals with black hardware. I just want to take a moment and say thank you. Thank you for letting me do what I love. I know I say it all the time, but really I love what I do. I work 24/7, and I don't even feel like it's work. I feel like it's playing. I get to design. I get to play with pretty things. It's something that I've always dreamed about, and I get to do it because of you. So thank you for your support, and I will see you guys again soon for a brand new reveal.